Well, as you can see, there's not a whole lot of cover in this lake. It's probably the only piece of wood out here. So I'm going to be dragging this jig along the bottom. Maybe something to be relating out here to this tree branch. So I was there about maybe 35 minutes or so. Couldn't take any more. Whew, I'm out of breath. My hands are just bright red right now. I can't even feel the tips of my fingers. It's too much wind. But never let it be said that I let a little wind stop me from fishing. Just stopped me from fishing too long. On to the next spot. Hey y'all, welcome to the world's smallest bass pond. There's a lot of stuff in the water here. You can see there's still a lot of vegetation left over from summertime. It hasn't died off. So my goal is to drop something in one of these holes right up in here. See if there's anything on the bottom. And again, this is another spot that I'm not really sure how it's going to go. Not really sure there's any fish in there. Got fish. Hey, there we go. What we got? Got bass. Here we go. Can you believe it? Smallest pond in the world, and it's got bass in it. It's a good sight. Whoa. Hey, buddy. Just gonna take a picture of you. Now, he's not big, but can you believe he was in a pond this small? It's pretty cool, huh? Honestly, whoa, that was a good bite. That was a big bite. That was a big bass. Surprised the hell out of me. Wow, I wasn't expecting that. I was mostly expecting to be getting panfish out of here. These fish are hungry. Alright, so we're back again, and I'm going to try this Ned rig with some scent on it. It's a little wonky. One thing you don't want to do is store these with other plastics. It causes some kind of chemical reaction, which causes your worms to get all kind of messed up. Really just trying to get it in that hole there. So I don't know if they're still in there. I probably spooked them all. Got him. See if I can drag him. Got him. Alright, not as big as the last one, but still, it's a bass. Got him on the Ned rig. Let's see, just barely hooked that lip. Let's see, maybe what they've been eating. Got him right through the tongue. Alright, so you can see his crushers in there are red. That means he's been eating crawfish or some sort of hard invertebrate. Can't really feel anything in his belly. I don't think he's eaten in a while. Yeah, that might be, there's something hard right there. That might be a crawfish. So they're taking craws. And that would probably be why That crawfish scent worked so well just now. I'm gonna go ahead and give this another shot. We're definitely in that little pocket right there in front of that tree. This is the deepest end of this pond, and there's cover and there's grass, and that's where they're going to be. They're probably stacked right on the bottom, right in that little pocket. Well, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. I'm definitely going to come back and hit this spot again when I have a little more time. I only had a couple hours to fish, and I wasted some of it on that first pond. I'm definitely going to come back, maybe bring a punching rig, and maybe drag a jig next time. I had a lot of fun, and till next time.